introduction.
Hi, my name is Alyssa. I'm currently a senior at Thiel College. I am an early childhood and special education major, and I'm currently taking a course entitled Integrated Instructional Systems. This is an example of my teaching. I will be teaching a standards-based lesson in science that is prepared for a third grade class, and I will be using the smartboard. I hope you enjoy my teaching. Okay, class. How many of you have pets? Yeah, right? What kind of pets do you have? Just someone name you one you have? A dog. Cat. An iguana. Okay. Chickens. Okay. I also have cats. Now, would you find any of your pets out in the wild as well? You may find your iguana out there, right? Okay. Well, today we're going to talk about an animal that you can have as a pet, but you may also find in the wild. I'm going to give you a PowerPoint handout so that you can follow right along. Has anyone learned anything about a macaw before? You used to have one, so you probably know more than I do. And we should listen to the sound of them. It was really annoying. Okay, so where is home for macaws? You have your house, we're here in Pennsylvania, but for macaws, they live in Central America and South America. Some are in Mexico, but unless they're pets, you normally don't find them in the United States. And this is because they live in rainforests. We've talked about rainforests, so can someone tell me just what a rainforest is like? It rains a lot. Is it really cold or is it really warm?
It's warm.
It's real warm? Okay, so we have warm and rainy. And some are in lowlands or swampy areas, grasslands, semi-desert, so they like it where it's normally warm. The map's a little blurry, but we are up here. So if you go south of us, this area, especially the dark orange, is where you'll find the macaws. Adaptations. So, their beaks. All birds have beaks, but not all of them are the same. For macaws, they're really large and they're powerful. They're used to open their food. Because if you're eating nuts, I know I can't open a nut with my hand. So they use their beak to crack them open. Their feet, they have to stay on the branches, so they'll grasp the branches and hold their food. So you'll see them probably holding food in their feet. I want to call them toes, but they really aren't toes. Their claws to hold their food to eat. And their tongue is adapted. Their tongue actually has a bone in it that helps them break into fruit. Since we've been talking about animals, we've talked about adaptations in this lesson, what other animals have adaptations that you can think of that without them they wouldn't be able to stay alive?
Humans have thumbs.
We have thumbs. Okay, just give me one more.
Polar bears.
What are polar bears eat? And how does that help
It
them?
attracts sunlight and keeps them warm.
Attract sunlight and keeps them warm. Does polar bears live where? North Pole, where it's really, really cold. Okay, so to close out our lesson, I want you to flip your PowerPoints over, and I want you to write down the fact that you found most interesting about today's lesson. And after you're done writing, maybe one person who hasn't really talked much today, just to share what they found most interesting. Would you like to share?